I swear I thought that was chicken, but it's a potato.
Potatoes.
Nice.
I'm gonna boil it.
All right. So
It's healthy.
So it's being healthy. You're not. I mean, I guess you could bake the potato, but this makes it much easier. And plus, you're doing it outside.
Yeah. I mean, it's
So just waiting for the carrots to get soft.
yes.
Nice.
Carrots soft first.
Okay.
So I
Having
have
some trouble.
trouble
with
with
carrots.
there, but
So, how long? About how long was the potato and the carrots in
as
there?
long the fork through to potato, so
Okay.
as long as tender, so it's
So-
soft.
Yeah, cuts up easily.
And so I let it boil for a while after carrots,
Get nice and soft.
and I add more water. So
Got to get some more water around the potato.
so
So you're boiling it. How long was a potato in there for?
not actually no estimated time. As long as I check.
Just check and make sure the fork goes all the way through or something?
Yeah, every 3 minutes. So
Gotcha. All right. Mushing up the carrots.
the carrots.
All right. Did you just eat one?
Huh?
Did you just eat one? It looked like you ate one.
No.
So you mash them up good. So what's this dish called?
It's like a spinach, saute spinach, and with mashed carrots and potatoes.
Okay. Sounds good. Okay, I got the potato out. Got the carrots mashed. And the potato is ready to also be mashed. Is that right?
Yeah, we'll
Oh, you
mash it
remove
too.
the peel.
We'll peel the.
I guess you could keep the skin on there too, right? I mean, would that?
I prepare to.
Oh, you don't
I
like that?
prepare to peel the skin off. So,
Gotcha.
so everything.
All right,
is
so mashed potatoes and mashed carrot. Now we got some celery.
celery.
Is this going to be mashed also?
Nah, just cut cubes
Cubed.
or chopped, actually.
Okay.
So just cut it up like that, small piece.
Small pieces. All right. Ooh, look how fast you're going. That's scary. It always makes me nervous.
So I decided to add a imitation crab meat stick. So it's up to you if you wanna
Add a
use
little.
whatever you want.
They're all individually wrapped,
And the wrap and cut it,
just like the celery, basically. Nice.
and I heat the pan in medium,
Medium heat. Cool.
and add some oil, of course. Cover to coat the pan.
All right. So when it gets hot, what's the first thing you're going to be throwing in there?
I usually throw onion.
Okay, that's right. So diced onions. Nice.
Okay, more.
Onions are delicious.
I like.
So you let them get a little translucent and a little soft.
And then I add it up.
Oh, what a surprise.
Garlic.
Got some garlic in there. Is delicious. Garlic and onion, and then put anything with that, and it's going to be
Like a good
delicious.
aroma.
Yeah, good flavor.
Bind together.
So, got that all mixed in. Then we got
And I add
the imitation crab.
meat and celery.
All right.
Doesn't take long to cook, so
It doesn't take long to cook.
yeah, just. But then I cook for 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Yeah.
This is
After
on
crust.
medium
Yeah,
heat.
still on medium heat.
Okay.
2 minutes, like. Wait.
Adding a little
Add
water
some,
there.
Little water because we are tossing up the spinach.
Right. That's spinach. will just about disappear. Takes a whole lot of spinach to make a...
But it's gonna be reduced the
Right.
size, so
Yeah.
you will see, guys. It's not too much. So just mix it up, and
It gets hot and limp. And that'd be kind of like a good salad even. You know, if you don't heat it up but have those ingredients, that's be a good salad.
now add more water. Gradually add water if needed. So
All right. All that water gets soaked up by the spinach.
oyster sauce.
Oyster sauce. Okay.
I'll put
What's the measurement of that? Just like
I will put in description box.
it's a glob. Glob of oyster sauce. It's a cooking measurement.
I love oyster sauce.
Do you?
You like it too? 'Cause
Yeah, of course I
all
do.
the-
Of course I do.
Oh, now add the mashed potato and
Mashed potato and mashed carrot.
add some ground black pepper, salt to taste,
Yeah.
and
I bet you that's good with a little ground bell
we're
pepper.
about almost done. So just mix it up.
Mix it up.
Mix together.
Goes together
It's
forever.
gonna be like takes
That still looks like that would be a great salad.
one
You know?
1 minute to and a half.
Yeah, 1.5 minutes.
Yeah. Takes so long because spinach is
Yeah.
already soft. And we're not gonna overcook the spinach.
Right.
Just add more a little bit because
Half a glob.
what the half a glass?
Half a glob.
Oh, what does it
A
mean?
glob is like a big drop of something.
Ah, okay.
Bloop.
So it's up to you. This.
Yeah, it's a glob.
Okay.
Choose your size glob.
All right.
All right. Oh, look at that.
All right, that's it. So, if you like this video, please don't forget to click subscribe, click like, and click the notification bell. Thank you. Bye.